PLC Network here with another unboxing, once again coming from the company Beyerdynamic. This is their USB microphone called the Fox. And this is a studio grade quality microphone that will provide up to 24-bit 96K studio grade sound. So this is perfect for anyone who's looking to get a start with a good microphone for their singing career, let it be they're recording at home or in a studio. Or even a YouTube blogger for video games that wants just something nice sitting in front of them that not only sounds nice but looks nice. But this is a large diaphragm condenser microphone, and we're going to pop this open, we're going to see what it looks like inside, and as always you'll go to the website at plcnetwork.net and see what we have to say about it later on. Very first thing that you're introduced with is a little manual to talk about the product with. You have a nice thick foam cover here. You have a mesh windscreen right there, a very nice braided USB cable to go between the microphone and your PC or laptop. Here is the stand for the microphone. It comes with a typical mic stand kind of thread adapter in case you want to put this on a mic stand. And this is what the microphone itself looks like. It's pretty nice. It's got a kind of a shiny black matte kind of theme going for it. It looks like it almost has some glitter or something in the paint. It has a rubberized bottom here, so that way it's nice and sturdy as it's sitting in the mount. It's also to provide shock, and to isolate any kind of noise from movements and whatnot. So the microphone itself looks really nice. Like I said, there's a lot of weight to this. It's pretty heavy. The back side of the microphone, you have a USB 3.1 Type-C connector here, in which it connects to the PC with. You have a gain, low or high gain switch option on the back. On the front, you have a mute button to mute the microphone at any point. You have a mix knob for gain there, and you have a typical volume knob as well. And of course you have a headphone jack right at the bottom, which allows you to connect your headphones so you can listen to the mic live with zero latency as it's recording to see what your content sounds like. And then of course on the bottom here is your typical mic thread in which the adapter and or mount would go on, depending if you want to use the desk mount here or if you want to use a tripod. The windscreen just connects right to kind of like this collar right here where Beyerdynamic's logo is. Kind of gives you a neat little place to put that. You put this on your stand and you're ready to go. Connected to USB to your computer, it'll recognize it as a microphone, and you can set your settings if you're in Windows or Mac or whatever. You can set your settings there in terms of what sound formats you want to go with or support for that microphone device that's connected to the computer. And of course your editing software, let it be Pro Tools, Cubase, Adobe Audition, so forth. You can of course drill down into your settings there to get the most out of it so that you can actually record in the 24-bit 96K quality. So again, this is the Beyerdynamic Fox USB microphone, a professional studio grade microphone that they're promising is gonna sound pretty cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give this a test. We're gonna see what we can get out of it, give you some samples, and do a full story on this later on. So go check it out at plcnetwork.net. We'll have more about this. And as always, we thank you for watching. And of course, if you love what you've seen, don't forget to subscribe below with the button that's right below the video. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.